Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This review is going to be all about a set of carbide milling cutters. Banggood have sent us 5 carbide cutters. Well, I asked them to send us the 5 cutters, and I'm going to do a little bit of a review and a test on them. I'm not just going to pure aluminium, I'm going to use stainless steel and AN8 and some really hard stuff just to see what they can do. There's 1 or 2 points I want to make perfectly clear before we start torturing these milling cutters. The first thing is, they're not made by Banggood. Banggood don't make milling cutters, Banggood import them from China. The second thing is, I've received these completely free of charge. That mine to do with whatever I want. The third thing is, I do get a very small commission for each set that's sold, which helps to run the shop basically. So there's nothing underhanded here, everything is all up front. What you see is what you get. I can assure you these will get a proper and honest review. If that's shite, I'll just see it. Anyway, as long as I've made them points clear, let's have a go and see what the milling cutters are actually made of. Well, they're supposedly made out of carbide, but we'll find out. Right, these are the cutters. As you can see, they come individually packed. They're all really sharp. I'll get a close-up shot of the business end of one of these so you can have a look and see how they've been sharpened. Right, so we've seen what they look at. Let's see what they can do. I'm going to use the 8mm one for most of the tests. It's a piece of aluminium block in the milling machine vise. I don't know what sort of aluminium it is, it's just aluminium. I've got the cutter running at 1500 RPM. We bring it in, it just touches. It is a 40 thou cut. That's no problem at all. We're at 40, which makes it 80. Right, it's taking me 80, no problem. I'm putting a respectable finish on as well. Right, we'll try putting a slot in things. Right, just touching there. I'll dial in 25. Put a power feed onto it. Right, another 25 thousandths. Right, next I've got some bronze. This is aluminium bronze, real good stuff. It's not pleasant to machine normally. 15 thou cut this time. And it's still running at 1500 RPM. You notice my conventional milling. So that's going alright with that. 25 thou cut this time. that's going alright. Another 25, which will make it 50 when it gets to the end of the original cut. It's going alright. I mean, this is a small lightweight mill, it's not a big Bridgeport or a big industrial tool. This is tooling for the home workshop. When you're putting that 50 on, that gives it a 100 thou cut. So go to that. So it's good on brown. Right, this is stainless, it's the same bit of bar I used to test the parting off tool and the drills on. Just touched it off there, we're still running 1500. Normally I would use cutting water when I'm doing machining stainless, but for the purpose of the video I'll just put it dry. Right, that's doing alright. We'll try the slot now. Right, not a problem with that at all. Another 25. So when I get to this end of the first cut, it's taking 50 thou, which is 1 little bit millimetres, which is taken quite nicely. Right, another 50, which is going to make it a 100 thou cut. I don't want to destroy the cutters, but I want to give them show them working. I think a 100 thou cut on stainless is a pretty good indication of whether the cutter's going to work or not. Right, that's taking 100 thou there, but you can tell it's working hard, but it's doing it. Like I say, I wouldn't normally cut that dry. Right, this is EN8. Once again, it's a bit of bar I've used on all the previous tests on Banggood cutting tools. This really does need cutting fluid, it needs water on it. I do not want to burn out the cutter. Certainly putting an acceptable finish onto it. Yeah, that's taken 25 thou, no problem at all. I'm going to put some cutting fluid onto it to put a nice deep cut on. Right, we've got some lubricant running. I'm going to put 75 thou on, which will give it 100 thou cut. That's taken 75 now, and that's 100, and that's not a problem. I think that's quite acceptable. Right, this is a lathe tool holder. It's not a cheap lathe tool holder either. It's a lathe tool holder I actually tried the cobalt drills on. It's very, very tough. Very tough indeed. We'll try putting a slot in, but straight away I'm going to put water on it. Right, this is 50 thou, which is just over a millimetre. Still running at 15.5 RPM. It's dealing with that quite nicely. Another 50. So that will be 100 when it gets to the end of the first cut. You'll hear it. There it is. Right, so that was the 8mm cutter, aluminium, bronze, stainless, AN8, and something absolutely horrible. And it's cut them alright. I'll get a close-up shot of the tool now and see if it's done any damage to it. It didn't sound like it had damaged it. Right, I'm sure you'll agree I did give the cutters a good try, at least the one cutter I used. I give it a good try on some various materials. I didn't try and destroy it. I don't want to destroy it. The question is, will I buy that set of cutters to use in my home workshop? Definitely. I think I got value for money. Would I buy them to run 5,000 RPM, 24 hours a day in a CNC machine? I would buy a set and try them. But I think for the guy like me who's just pissing about in a home workshop, definitely. Anyway, thanks for watching. There's a link in the title of the video. If you click on the link, it takes you to the page where these things are sold. As I've said, if you do click the link and buy a set, I get a very small commission, which helps me make videos and run my shop. Right, I say everything I do is all straight up, above board, no bullshit. What you see is what you get. Anyway, thanks for watching.